Do you want to play Fortnite? Do you want to play Fortnite?
No.
Come on.
No.
Ah! Hey, did you know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell? The mitochondria. Yes, yes, yes. Anyways, want to play some Sonic Shuffle?
Stop, it's scary.
So what's your favorite Zelda game?
They're all out of the hats.
What's your favorite Zelda game? That's not a Zelda game, that's a miniature bag from Ikea. You're a freaking idiot.
Mom.
You know that?
Mom.
You can't tell the difference between a bag and a Zelda game? What's wrong with you? You need some help. If you can't tell the difference between a bag and a Zelda game, then clearly something's wrong with you. Can you hear me? Ah! This statement confuses the ever-living crap out of me. Gregory.
Picture.
Gregory.
Come answer. I was looking
Gregory.
for a
Gregory.
picture
Gregory.
of the kitchen that had been
Do you see that small thing on the floor?
Where ours over it.
Have you ever heard of Dream Gregory?